welcome to my channel, and I am finally back in Qatar, and as promised, I'm gonna share with you the shoe purchases that I did when we were in Greece, and one of them I've actually already worn them twice, so that's the first thing that I'm gonna show you. It actually came in this paper bag. The shop is called Kalugiru. So it's actually like a shoe department store in Athens that carries different brands like Yves Saint Laurent, Chloe, they have the Row, what else? Jimmy Choo, what's the other one? Stella McCartney, and different brands, all for shoes. So I was originally actually looking for the Dior sneakers in the white, like the white canvas or the white cloth style, but Dior didn't have my size available. I was looking for that all over in Mykonos and also in Athens, but they didn't have any restocks in my size. So I went over there or in this shop in Kalugiru to look for the Common Project sneakers, but also they didn't have any women's size available. But then the lady, the sales lady there actually recommended this brand, and let me take it out from the paper bag. And surprisingly, I actually like this one more than the Common Projects, or maybe because I tried on the Common Projects in the men's size. But it's from Jim Ricky, Stockholm, and these are just white, clean sneakers, and I actually like the shape of this on my feet because it's more narrow. So when I'm wearing this, even though my feet is big, I'm size 41, it doesn't actually look that big because the shoe is just long but not big. And yeah, it has even some detailing or branding on the shoe. It says Jim Ricky over here, and then on the side, and also on the laces. Let me see if it will show. Yeah, even on the lace it shows the branding. Unlike the Common Projects, it doesn't have any branding, just like a gold numbers on the side. But yeah, I really like this. It's actually even a lot cheaper than the Dior sneakers, of course, and also the Common Projects. I believe the Common Projects was around I think 400 euros, something like that, but I only got this. Oh, it's dirty because I've worn it twice. I got this for 115 euros, and I even got 12% tax refund, and I actually really like this. It's really comfortable, and I'm glad that I went with this and I did get the chance to buy the Dior ones, because that one is not leather, it's cloth material, so it will get dirty easily and it's harder to clean, whereas this I can just wipe clean. So I love it. It's just a very sleek white shoe, great to pair with dresses and different kinds of clothes. I have my Gucci sneakers, but that's not pure white, so usually I don't choose to wear that sneakers just because it has like blue and red on the side, and sometimes I like my shoes to be plain. So yeah, that's the first shoe. And then the second one is in this one, an exciting orange bag over here. So I got it obviously from Hermès. Oh my gosh, I love Hermès. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this now. This is now my second shoe or sandal from Hermès. So yeah, it is a sandal, and it came in this beautiful box. And let's open it. The shoes that I got is okay. It's in the dust bag. So it has two dust bags, and the shoes are these ones. Yay! So these are the Rivage sandals. These are actually rubber or like a jelly material. I was looking for an orange sandal, the same one that I have. I have it in white. I'm looking for a tan or a black, but they did have my size available. But I'm actually really surprised that they had this in my size, because this is really hard to come by and it's really hard to find because it's inexpensive. It's one of their inexpensive shoes in Hermes, and also it's summer, so it's high in demand. When I came into the Hermes store and I asked for these, they actually said they didn't have any available, but then they checked the stock and they did have it available in black, and also in like a blue-green color, and I got it in the size 41. I asked for a 41 and a half because my orange sandals is 41 and a half, but it seems this run a little bit big because 41 fits me good, and I really like this because I know I can wear this a lot. It's rubber, also it's very durable. It's a thick rubber, as you can see, so yeah. They didn't use like a thin material. It's really substantial. Let me show you the soles here. It's just like so. Also, one thing that I've noticed with these shoes, it's actually not straight. Like this one goes this way and this one goes that way, and this one is straight. So pretty interesting. And I really love that it's jelly, so I can wear this and get it wet. I won't be scared of it getting destroyed if it gets on water or something like that. So yeah, I'm so glad to have found these. It's also not that expensive. It's only 200 euros. Then I got another 12% tax refund, just like my sneakers. So very good price for Hermes sandals. So these are the sandal. I'm sure that I'm gonna get a lot of wear with this shoe, especially this summer. It's really hot in Doha, and I've been wearing sandals a lot. I've been wearing my orange sandals a lot. Like when I was in Greece, I wore it all the time, and here in Qatar. So yeah, I'm starting to really like Hermes shoes. So anyway, yeah, that is the shoe purchases I got when we were in Greece, and yeah, just a quick one. And I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Have an awesome and beautiful day.